welcome to the kitchen, Gypsy. Today we are going to do a traditional Puerto Rican Easter meal. I can't say that it's dinner, can't say that it's lunch, because you eat it all day, it doesn't matter. And as long as you're with family and you're eating with the ones you love, that's the most important thing. So right here we have some of our ingredients. The olive oil, the salted cod, malanga, guineo, and batata. So red potato, plantain. I normally like it a little bit greener, but time is what it is. And I have no idea how to say it. This one is a purple malanga. I have no idea how to say it in English, but it tastes amazing. And now I'm gonna get to start cooking, and we're gonna start peeling stuff. So basically, I'm just gonna take the skin and just peel it. Now with this one, it's fine to peel like this, but I'm leaving this one for last because that one actually turns black if you don't, if you do not peel it underwater, it turns black. It's still fine, it tastes good, but it's not as appealing to the eye. So this is the white malanga, this is the purple malanga. Once it's peeled, and oh my God, it's gonna be so good. Ooh, I gotta get that piece of skin. And that's why we always double check. And here we go. And then I'm gonna put that there. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the guineo, which is plátano. And just cut the ends off. And I like to go like that, and then like that, and then I just peel it right off.
Wow, that's easy peasy.
Looks easier than what it really is. And then we're just gonna chop these up. Then we're gonna go ahead and start putting it in here. So I got my water right here. And I'll add more water as needed. But I want to go ahead and get these in, and believe it or not, this is one dish that I don't season, I season all of my food, but this, there's no need for any seasoning except for maybe a little bit of olive oil, maybe some salt, but I don't even put that in because it really doesn't need it. When you taste it, when your family tastes it, they're all gonna love it. And open it up. Making sure. Now you do have to have a little bit of a good arm to chop it, and all of this is clean, so I'm not worried about it. This one right here, this is one of my favorites. Right here, I don't know if you can see, but you see how it has the little purple dots in it? Once it's cooked, it's gonna be even more purple, and it's gonna be really pretty. And not only is it pretty, but it tastes good. And put in the pot, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So you can see there's a bunch of different root vegetables there. While that's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and take the bacalao or salted codfish. Yeah, salted codfish. We're gonna dump it in here, and if you look at this, it actually has a lot of salt on it. So we're gonna rinse it off first so that we can get some of that salt off of it. I boil it 2 times. Traditionally, most people boil it 3 times, but I feel like if you boil it 3 times, then too much of the salt comes out, and then you have to add salt again. What's the point if it already comes salted? So I boil it twice, I taste it for flavor, and when it's at that right point, that's it, and that's how the food gets flavored. So we're just rinsing it off. That's a lot of salt. If the water's that cloudy, that's a lot of salt. So we're just gonna get rid of that. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and let it cook. And once it boils out the first time, I'll drain it, and then I will reboil it, and it'll be ready to eat. And we are good to go. I'm gonna use that just to kind of dip it real quick, just to make sure it gets some of the salt off of it on the top. And then we're gonna take this and just empty the water out. Never put it on your surfaces. Make sure that it's metal on metal. And I'm gonna have a little tape. Yeah, it's still a little salty, so it definitely needs one more round. And we're just gonna refill it and reboil it. And while this is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and start the coquito. And the coquito is gonna be good. Okay, so now for the coquito, we're gonna use a blender. Oops. It happens. Accidents happen. We're all human. We're gonna start off with some carnation milk. This is the first time I make it in this blender, so I'm finding out how much I can actually put in. So I'm doing one rotation at a time. And then this is the cocolope. And that's gonna go. Yep. I like to get as much out of it as I can possibly get. This is the coconut milk. And yes, it's supposed to look like that. Okay, so I think we're gonna do one batch at a time because I don't think a second batch is gonna fit, but I am happy to find out that I can fit it in one batch. So, this is the condensed milk. That's what sweetens it. And it's thick, so you gotta use a spoon to get it out, otherwise you'll be standing here forever. So, put that out. Then you wanna put a little bit of cinnamon. Just like that. So that's what, maybe half a teaspoon. And we're gonna put some vanilla extract. And about half a teaspoon as well. Good. Oh, I forgot to get the Bacardi. And then we're gonna make sure that it's nice and closed. The smoothie button and let it do its own thing. I don't have to. Until next time.